Today I'm going to show you how to do a centered double decrease. This is my concentration shawl, and we use a centered double decrease here and right up here. It's really useful in mitered corners. In the Dilution Cowl, we use the centered double decrease right up here. And right now I'm working on my saturation blanket. And here I've used a centered double decrease right here and again right up here. So what you're going to do is knit to one, or work to where you're one before the center stitch. Here's my center stitch, got one before, and I'm going to do a centered double decrease. So I'm going to take the needle, the right hand needle, and put it into the second and first stitch like I'm going to knit two together. But instead of knitting them together, I'm just going to slip them over to the right hand needle. Now I'm going to knit the next stitch on the needle. And then I'm going to take those two stitches that I slipped and lift it up and over that stitch. Now what it's done is it's taken that center stitch and put it in the front. That's what the centered double decrease is. So we've done a double decrease. We've decreased two stitches. So we've gone from 3 stitches to 1 stitch, and we've centered it. We've made it so that that middle stitch is the one showing when we're done. So that's the centered double decrease.